as in a stage of evolution or further development. Following the evolutions during the second phase of the development program, the new RSQ e-tron now bears the abbreviation E2 as a tribute to the history of Audi Sport. The legendary Audi Sport Quattro in its final development stage was the most extreme version of the Quattro in Group B rallying during the 1980s, and it is still a fan favourite to this day. With the abbreviation being carried forward to the new Audi RSQ e-tron E2, Audi wants to continue this successful tradition. It was the perfect start to a new era in the long history of Audi Sport. After just 12 months of preparation, the team took on the adventure of the Dakar Rally with a vehicle full of innovations, the Audi RSQ e-tron. The electrically powered desert ship impressed immediately, mastering 24,000 kilometers of desert heat and sand. 4-stage victories, and all 3 Audi RSQ e-tron vehicles crossed the finish line. This exceeded even the wildest of expectations. And as we all know, after the freestyle comes the show. At the Abu Dhabi Desert Challenge, Audi makes history with technical innovations. For the first time, a vehicle with an alternative drive concept wins an off-road rally. The huge smiles on the premier winners, Stefan Peter Hansel and Edouard Bollinger, herald in a successful era for Audi in the field of electric mobility. The new Audi RSQ e-tron E2. Lighter, more aerodynamic and more efficient than ever before.
I think the car looks more sporty. It's a little bit more, race car.
As you know, our new concept last year was already reliable. We could concentrate for this season on the overall efficiency of the car. So therefore we reduced the weight of the car.
It has a completely new body with significantly better aerodynamics, helping to lower both the weight and the centre of gravity of the prototype. The total weight could be reduced to a minimum value of 2,100 kilograms.
So for sure, I feel the weight, the car is a little bit lighter, but what I feel more for me, it's acceleration of the car. So I feel the car more free, like if there is no resistance at all, we are able to touch the top speed more quick.
You can see it directly on the car. The overall surfaces were much reduced. On the front bonnet, it's now a fully integrated aero device with all the ducts and all the openings. So therefore the part is really lightweight.
Additional surfaces on the sides at the rear have all been removed, making it much lighter. The aerodynamic concept under the bonnet is also new.
On the side, we reduced a lot the surfaces. The elephant foot was reduced completely.
This allowed the designers to save further weight and optimize the airflow. The overall aerodynamic drag is thus reduced by around 15%. In terms of top speed, however, nothing has changed. It remains limited to 170 kilometers an hour.
I will say I'm quite comfortable inside the car. The climate is working better, the visibility is better.
So we do some small thing inside the cockpit, just ergonomic different things. For the seat also, it's just a bit more adjust to our body. To the switch also on the dashboard is a better position. So it's only a small detail, but for us it will be really more easy to be in the car.
Another sticking point, the serviceability of the Audi RSQ e-tron has been made much easier.
When they need to change the spare wheel, on this one it's just one pin you need to remove, then they can directly exchange the tire.
The new 10-spoke rims are also significantly more grippy. The Audi RSQ e-tron E2, a further development with the ultimate goal of optimal performance for the greatest possible success.